Ever rage quit so hard your keyboard almost filed a complaint? Well, before you break another one, maybe it's time to learn what kind of keyboard you're actually using. Because trust me, not all keyboards are built the same. From mechanical monsters that sound like machine guns to soft, squishy membranes that feel like typing on a marshmallow. Let's break down every type of computer keyboard as simply as possible. First, let's talk about the mechanical keyboard. These are the kings of keyboards. Every key has its own tiny switch inside. That's why they click, clack, and drive your coworkers insane. Each key press on a mechanical keyboard feels crisp and instant, like your finger is firing a tiny trigger. Gamers love them because they respond faster than most membrane ones. Your writers also swear by them because you can feel every word you type. The downside is they can be expensive and kind of heavy to carry around. And also your friends will know exactly when you're typing from across the house. Next up, we got the ergonomic keyboards. These keyboards look like someone broke them in half, but that's on purpose. They're shaped to fit how your hands naturally rest, helping reduce wrist pain or strain. If you type a lot or want to feel like a sci-fi hacker piloting a spaceship, this one's for you. They're made for comfort first, not speed. Ergonomic keyboards help people who spend hours typing every day avoid wrist problems like carpal tunnel syndrome. Some even have wrist rests and adjustable angles, so you can customize your setup. They might look strange, but your hands will thank you later, especially if you type more than you talk. Next on the list are the membrane keyboards. Most cheap office keyboards are membrane ones. Instead of switches, they use a rubbery layer under the keys. That makes them quiet and affordable, but also kind of mushy. Typing on one feels like pressing wet bread. Still, they get the job done for basic everyday use. They're perfect for casual users who just need something simple for browsing or writing homework. Membrane keyboards are also lighter and more compact, making them great for laptops. They don't make much noise, so you can type at night without waking up the entire house. The downside? They wear out faster, and some keys can stop responding over time. Now we got the flexible keyboards. These are made of silicone and can literally roll up like a yoga mat. Super portable, spill-proof, and dust-proof. But typing on them, let's just say it feels like writing an essay on a rubber chicken. Great for travel, not so great for speed typing. They're super useful if you move around a lot or need a backup keyboard in your bag. You can literally spill coffee on them and just rinse them off with water. But because the material is soft, the keys don't always register perfectly. There's no tactile feedback, so your fingers feel a bit lost while typing. Now here's the futuristic one, AR keyboards. AR keyboards project your keys onto a flat surface and sensors detect your finger taps. They look insanely cool, like you're typing on thin air, but in reality, they're more of a tech flex than a daily driver. Still, bonus points if you want to look like Tony Stark while writing emails. They work by using lasers and sensors to track where your fingers tap on a table. No physical keys, no moving parts, just pure sci-fi magic. They're super portable since you only carry a tiny projector instead of an actual keyboard. The downside, typing accuracy isn't great and there's no feedback for your fingers. And now at last, the foldable keyboards. Foldable keyboards are all about portability. You can fold them in half, toss them in a bag, and connect them to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth. They're perfect for people who work on the go. Just don't accidentally sit on one. It'll be the shortest laptop upgrade ever. Most foldable keyboards are wireless, using Bluetooth to connect to your devices instantly. They're great for students, travelers, and digital nomads who don't want to carry a full laptop. Despite being small, some models actually feel pretty nice to type on. They do have smaller keys, so expect a few typos at first. So whether you like the clicky chaos of mechanicals, the soft silence of membranes, or you just want to type on thin air, there's a keyboard out there that fits your style. Which one are you using right now? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe,